Thank you for letting me go out for a couple hours.
Well, we should have planned.
What you got there, buddy?
Eric should tell her to do a facial and everything. Okay.
Yeah, that's like 8 hours.
Well, we could do that one day, you know.
My neck feels better though. Because you know, for so long I just we just come.
Lots of fun.
Would stay with the dog?
At your house, they was doing this.
No, yeah.
What is that? Sorry.
It's like swollen. I had like tearing, and I did all day. I've been like, I don't know, but all day.
Maddie's all done. All done. All done. All done.
He's got something. He's got to go to the eye doctor because he can't wear his contacts. They keep glazing over with like a film. Pussy film.
Yeah, Tiffy, turn around. Yeah, would it?